Hey, what's going on? Josh here. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I want to give you guys the presentation of CoinMarketBull. I did a previous video where I went over the overview and really all the potent facts and aspects of this specific protocol. If you want to go ahead and you want to check that out, that's going to be in the description below. So today, I'm just going to go through the entire presentation that they have here so you guys can understand it thoroughly and exactly how it works. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like the idea of passive income with crypto, you like updates on different projects. Guys, I'm the guinea pig. I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. What you decide to do is completely 100% up to you if you want to come along for the ride. This is for pure education and entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, as always, guys, risk disclaimer. Always invest what you are willing to lose at the end of the day. Cryptocurrency is very volatile, but at the same time, people have become millionaires with crypto, and that's because of the volatility. It attracts a lot of new people to this industry because of the opportunity and because the right people were at the right place at the right time. And I even noticed in my own business, which mostly my primary business is teaching people affiliate marketing. Even affiliate marketing, like it's grown, but as far as certain areas within that niche, it's actually decreased a little bit because most affiliate marketers are transitioning to passive income opportunities like cryptocurrency that has like an affiliate marketing compensation plan attached to it because people hate the idea of having to brand and put out consistent content every single day. And people would rather be able to put and deposit money into something and see a return on that instead of having to do all this legwork. So is it game over for human financial analysts? Because guys, if you look at my channel, if you look at the narrative right now, there's a lot of AI trading robots that are coming out right now. Have they been proven to work yet? No, not entirely. You look at some of these trading robots that have performed very, very well over the course of the past few years, but look how the market has done over the course of the past few years. So it would be cool to see a trading bot that does well during down markets and does well during up markets, bull markets. The neat thing about CoinMarketBull, so they say, is the fact that they short positions and they also long positions, whereas most projects and robots, trading robots, they will just simply long positions. So this is Jan Gregory. This is the global leader and corporate brand manager of CoinMarketBull. You guys can go ahead and do the extra legwork and the research on him if you would like. He is on a lot of the calls. I will post one of the calls below. It's a long call. It's about 2 hours long, but it might be something that you want to go through in complete detail because at the end of the day, it's about joining not only a project that pays well, but also believing in the manager of the project, the founder, making sure that it's KYC, docs. But we realize that that's difficult to get right now in the wild, wild west of crypto. We're not always going to get what it is that we want. And so we got to be willing to take those calculated risks. And even myself, I stood on the sidelines for a bit, just waiting for something to happen, waiting for an opportunity, waiting for sort of the unicorn that truly doesn't exist at this point. And so I decided to diversify what I've got saved on the side into multiple investments. And of course, this being one of them. So again, check out the link below on that Zoom meeting that they recently did. The head office is in Budapest, Hungary. We understand that just by making customer service a priority, we can build strong connections and create loyalty, in turn drives business results. So you can actually see that here is the exact address. So we can go ahead and we can copy this and we can jump over here because we know there's some offices out there with previous companies that acted like they actually owned a floor in a specific office building. It's easy to have an office in a building where you just paste up a logo. That's simple and easy to do. And it could be a complete scam. It could be illegitimate. So even though we might know that at the end of the day, a lot of you guys, that might even be wary about, is this legit? Is it a scam? At the end of the day, anybody that's been doing this long enough understands there's a shelf life to most of these, as it's been shown. And typically, if you get in early enough, on average, that's 3 to 6 months. So irregardless of the facts and figures, those are some facts and figures based off of past history of different so-called legit companies that have come about. So you can see rent serviced office in Kalman. Now we can go ahead and click on this, and you can see it says flexible offices in Kalman, IMRE UTCA1. This essentially means you can rent out one of these offices, which is exactly what they did, of course. Like, they don't own the actual building, which is understandable. The question is, are they actually doing business in that building? And are they actually registered in Hungary, which they say they are? So again, take this information with a grain of salt. Why is crypto the primary source of wealth creation for millennials? There may be over 100,000 crypto millionaires, or at least wallet addresses connected to crypto millionaires. A crypto wealth transfer is happening. Right now, markets are down. We're seeing a slight rebound currently in the markets. I think personally, Bitcoins can go up to $20,000 at this point, and it's going to pop back down to $12,000 just based off of reading charts and listening to different analysts. That's just my personal prediction. And in the interim right now, that's one of the big reasons why I'm getting involved into stuff like this, so I can earn that passive income while we wait for, based off of the volatility, while we wait for Bitcoin to potentially bottom out. Let's move on to slide 7 here. CoinMarketBull's special bot. So it's a one-time fee of $50 to register for 12 months. The administration fee is included. So that'll give you access for the full 12 months. And if you decide to go ahead and renew, then you can go ahead and do that. So the minimum purchase is in fact $50. Clients can activate their pro bot for $50, which will be valid for 12 months. After that, you can rebuy the bot again and start the AI trading and begin to earn 30 to 60% monthly, which is 1.2% to 1.8%. Here are the different deposit amounts, $50, $100, all the way up to $100,000 right here. And again, there's no guarantee that it's going to be 1.8% daily profit. That's why they put approximately, on average, 1.2% to 1.8% daily profit. Now, I know there's a lot of you guys out there that also like to build teams. This does pay on 10 levels from 10% down to 0.3%. So that's some great opportunity for those of you guys out there that are team builders. And also the incentive of affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, compensation plan attached to crypto a lot of times has been given a bad name. But at the same time, when there's more liquidity, when there's more depositors coming into a project, that just helps everybody else, right? So it's just ensuring that the commission structure is reasonable. If you start seeing outlandish commission numbers, it starts to appear very much like a Ponzi scheme, okay? Go to slide 11. You've got different ranks as well, as usual, from associate all the way up to manager. And that can range anywhere from, the open for everyone right here without any qualifications is just any amount up to $30,000 in total team volume. And then you have ambassador that goes approximately to $1 million right here. It says maximum 50% volume is counted from the strongest team. So trading strategy, trading in Binance futures. Our bot is trading on Binance futures because it has become one of the most liquid derivatives exchanges in the market. The vast number of Binance users has helped push trading volumes in the platform into the trillions of dollars. As a matter of fact, Binance was responsible for 7.7 trillion in crypto exchange volume in 2021. Our members have the opportunity to earn approximately 1.2%, again, to 1.8% profit daily. Again, you can deposit a minimum of $50 all the way up. So you can see some of the results that they've gotten right here. As you can see, I don't know if this is the course of a year, of a month, but you can see some results right here. This was a short that they did, 20x. Here's another short, and here's a long that they did. So CMB is a global platform. You can see that they are across different continents right here, from Mexico to the UK all the way to Melbourne. You got the 10x mega promotion. So everyone who reaches the 10x promo before midnight on January 10th, which is actually tomorrow, will be approved for $500 crypto bot activation in their back office. What happens when you have crypto bot activation in your back office? That means you will start earning daily passive earnings of about 1.2% to 1.8%. So here's how you achieve the promotion. For $500 crypto bot activation, you must have 5 direct referrals of $500 USD and 10x team organization volume. Now, I'm not encouraging people just to jump in head first with $500. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm just testing the dang thing out, right? I put about $150 into this to test it out for the past, roughly, it's been close to a week. And you can see my daily profit is pretty low right now. Again, we're just simply testing. And as we test more, we'll deposit larger amounts. That's my strategy, is I go and I look at these different protocols, start with low amounts, then make sure that they're proven to work and begin depositing higher amounts. And that's just what I do across the boards here to minimize and mitigate my risk. So will I eventually be putting 500, 1,000, 2,000 plus into this? If it proves itself, yes, which right now everything is looking good. Currently, it's paying daily, and we're seeing results so far up to this point. This thing's still very, very new within the past few weeks, which means there's a lot of opportunity. They do have a Cancun, it looks like a Cancun mastermind in spring 2023. So flights, 5-star hotel, let's all get together. So here are the terms and conditions to kind of wrap everything up. Every day, the bots will produce 1.2% to 1.8% daily profit 7 days a week. You can withdraw your profit daily. There's a 5% fee to withdraw, okay? There is a minimum $20 daily withdrawal amount. So you have to hit that threshold to be able to finally withdraw. 24-hour withdrawal payout. You can withdraw your bot profit every day. You can withdraw your initial capital after 8 months, and 24/7 live support. Very simple. Open an account with the referral link. There will be a link below. It's completely up to you if you guys want to use my link. Okay. You want to make sure that you have a crypto wallet. You want to make sure that you, whether your funds may be in a Coinbase account, a MetaMask wallet, it doesn't matter. There's a full tutorial below this video that shows you how to go ahead and deposit into CMB. I'll also include the Telegram, which is huge. They do have a customer service WhatsApp at this number right here. So that is pretty much CMB in its entirety. Make sure you do go through the shorter video below in the description, as well as the Zoom if you want to go ahead and check that out. It is a 2-hour Zoom. It's quite long, but it may be worth it for you to go through it before deciding to jump on board with this specific opportunity. Hope you guys got value from this video. Later today, I'll be uploading another video giving you guys an update on the other trading bots that I'm involved with. So look forward to that. If you like constant updates, go ahead, subscribe, like this video. Any questions below that you might have, let me know. And we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.